I'll be in the office with the door open, so don't be afraid to come in there.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. You want to do the garage first?
Yeah, okay.
Are you gonna hang with us? I hate when owners are here.
I know, I do. I kind of like it myself as the buyer though, because they give out too much information.
Sometimes they do. Look at the insulation up there. Well, it said on the listing that she's motivated, so
Well, I noticed the price had dropped.
that may help. What they have up here? Especially
This, I think, was like a shop of some sort. I don't know why you would put tile down unless you were practicing, and it looks like they were.
Yeah, they did not do very
And, I think that's, I'm not sure if that's dirt. Oh, I'm gonna love this.
Oh, that's what it was.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm definitely gonna love this.
Yeah, this is cool.
This is my office.
Generator pickup, or is that a?
That's a, I think that's, no, that's a, looks more like either for a welder or a dryer.
Kind of machine.
Although it doesn't have the 220 in there.
This board is much better than the last.
Must be wired to the other box. I'm surprised they.
So this must have been an add-on. That piece over there.
These don't appear to be. Well, this one over here is bad.
Just the one on the automatic door opener.
Well, this is
Needs to
gonna.
have 3 spaces.
This is gonna be her bay anyway.
There you go.
See, this is why I wanted this, because you know if we're up here when it snows,
You can get
she
everybody
can
in.
get out, and I don't want to break in a hip or
Oh
something.
god, no. Yeah, so this is good. It's all closed in. This is huge entryway.
Yeah, doesn't look like there's any heat in here.
It's caught up.
So we got that box there.
Looks like she's only halfway in here.
Okay, so that's the so there's 3. 'Cause
Maybe
I
in
know
the
there's
basement.
there's one in the basement too.
Okay. Hi, sweetheart.
This is not.
Love the study. It's like,
I hate them. They leak.
I get it, but for the light.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and it did say one was just recently
Yeah, I saw that.
repaired.
There's enough room for a table in here too.
Tile looks good.
Okay, the window is cracked up there.
Yep. Well, there you are. I was wondering where you went. Yeah. Keep pumping.
Yeah, where were you hiding out there?
I know. Must have his own door to go on. So yeah, table there. You're a good baby, aren't you? So living room.
Oh, it looks a lot
That
bigger.
window, isn't that
It's a
great?
lot bigger than it is in the pictures.
Yes, this is awesome. Nice light.
phone right now and dial
They must not use that often.
265-0891.
Yeah, probably not.
Just bang it into the TV.
Oh, right, yeah.
Alright, so that's definitely.
Holding the future in your hands.
Wow, this is big.
Wow. Oh, look at the closet space.
This is big.
That is awesome. Street size. Office. Oh, this has the outdoor porch. Yeah.
A little bit of up here. I want to pay attention to that downstairs.
That's where I hang out.
Okay. Is this part added on?
Yeah, that part is added on.
So down there, or all the way down there, okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you'll be obvious if you look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna stand with us? You're gonna come
Hello,
up?
get out of the way.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Oh, tile in this house.
A lot of storage up there.
Nice. Yeah. There's the fridge in here. Yeah, you can tell where it's settled. Closet. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, there's another panel.
Wow, this thing's got panels everywhere.
Oh wow. Nice.
Okay, this is overdone.
This is nice.
You're gonna have parties in here.
Uh-huh. Huge. Love this door. You gotta make use of all the space. Oh, so this is considered a family room, but gosh, I'd almost make this a master suite.
Well, that's what I was telling my wife.
Have you been here? Little sitting area maybe in here. This is a awesome room. Wow. This is great. But we don't want your wife going down in the laundry.
That's the, yeah, yeah.
Does it stick with that? So it'd be good for like, if you're outside clothes or something. But...
Definitely get water down here.
Yeah, it did say that there's, during heavy rains and stuff, sump pump is right here.
Okay.
See where the shift in that floor is. Just really strange. They just must not.
The little hump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder. And it's funny because it's raised. You know, it does not look, usually they slope down, but it's
That's why I was
raised.
wondering if that part right there might have been added on.
Right.
They may not have done
It may
it.
have been years
It may have been here like that on them.
Yes.
Because this,
This is really good.
yeah, this is the newer one.
Wow, there's a lot of space down here too. You know? It's a huge panel.
I don't have my other reading glasses. Does this one have a generator hookup?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
That's all right. There's enough room though for it. Still looking for that hump.
I know. It had to have been in this area right here, right? Because
Yeah, because the hallway's there.
yeah, it's gotta be somewhere in here. But there looks to be plenty of support.
It's not gonna be that far down.
Oh, they got a water system.
Wait a minute. The chimney's there. And then we got this right here. Okay, could be right there.
Must be a couple flues in this chimney. It's pretty wide.
Yeah.
There it is. Yeah. Okay.
I'm wondering if that might be where the hump is.
I know.
Because I can see it's all framed off here, and then they got that Jack's post in there.
Yeah. That's gotta be right where it is.
Okay. Second water heater. It's too interesting.
Was there a sink out in the garage? I didn't notice one.
I didn't either.
'Cause that
That
looks
probably might go to the kitchen. I don't know.
Oh, it's coming this
It's awfully
way.
big just for the kitchen.
Oh, it's over here for the washer and dryer. The washer.
Oh,
That's where
okay.
it runs to.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Bulkhead leaks.
Yeah, they got new PEX piping on this new one.
Oh, it's identical to the one in the other house.
Let me open it.
Yeah. Just a second. And I hate when that happens. I'm gonna assume it's burnt out. Usually when they leave ash in it, it's burnt out. It's got the full roof.
I didn't even notice that stained glass window. Did you?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah, I hate it.
That.
I hate it.
I hate it. Good thing it's just little. This is a great spot too, though. Quiet, but close to town.
Yeah. This is a good sized shed.
See if we can unlock it. Yeah, it is. Great size. Oh, it doesn't look as deep though, is it? As you'd think. Oh,
It's
this
still a
is
good
good,
size,
This
though.
is great for outdoor stuff. Not take up your garage space.
There's lots of room up there too. Solid anyway.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Wonder what it's on.
yards or
Ooh,
something, maybe?
gunshots.
Yeah, you fit right in this area.
Oh, I would definitely fit right in.
Newburgh is closer to Bangor. I would say not as firearm friendly as this area. I wonder if they used to have a shed here. A lot of house.
Especially for only 2 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm. Portland's maybe? Wow.
The route guidance will start now. Proceed about 1 mile
6.5.
to
That's the number
Pleasant
one
Street.
country song in America right now. Saturday night. Now we're on.
So this is why I hate Massachusetts. This is why I want to move.
So help protect yourself from RSV. If you're 75 or older or 60 plus with a chronic condition like asthma, COPD,
It's been like this since almost back to Waltham.
hospital for RSV, and there are no prescription RSV treatment.
Oh, look at this.
I'm just parkouring through.
Braden. Braden. Sasquatch. Look at them all. It's loaded.
I know. I know.
It's when what? Not even 50 yards from the house, 100 yards from the house.
And we didn't see these earlier.
No, we missed them on our way in.